Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to accept payment on your Wix website. It's really easy to do, but before we get started, I'm just going to let you guys know I do have a Wix playlist down in the comments as well as in the description. You'll see a link there over to it. It's just a bunch of tips and tutorials on how to use Wix and how to build your site and stuff like that. So if you need more help, you should be sure to go check that out. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to accept payment. So all you have to do from the homepage of Wix is just go down to the bottom left side. You'll see settings. You want to click on that. And then you'll see accept payments under settings right here. So you want to click on accept payments, and then it'll show you all the payment options that you have on here. So you'll see where your business is located up here at the top, and that will determine what payment options you have available to you. So for me, I have credit and debit cards, PayPal, Alipay, which is Stripe, as well as manual. So all you have to do to set up your payments, just click on the ones that you want to set up. And then all I have to do is click on connect me here at the bottom. And then it will just load. So we'll just give it a second here. And then it'll just let you know that it's added these to your site. All you have to do from this point here is you want to complete the setup for all these options. So all I have to do that is just click on the complete setup right here. So for example, if I wanted to set up Alipay, I would just click on complete setup, and then it would bring us over to Stripe. And then you just have to fill out all this stuff basically. So it's just going to ask for your website, your description. You just have to give them basically what you sell and who you sell to and stuff like that, as well as some information like your business number, your business address, your name, address, stuff like that, all the basic stuff. And then obviously your bank account for the payments. But yeah, you just have to go through all of the options that you see on your personal page, because everyone will have different options depending on where they are in the world. But you just have to go through complete setup on all these options, and then you'll be able to set that up. And then once you want to activate them, just make sure you click on this, and they're all green, but it won't let you do it till you complete the setup. But yeah, you just want to make sure those are all green once you're done setting them up, and that will have them active on your checkout on your websites. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to set up and accept payments on Wix. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.